this is going well. I'm sat at my desk. I've just spoken to Ian's dad just to catch up, and obviously he was asking what the kids like for the kids stuff for Christmas, and then he was asking if I wanted anything for my birthday. And obviously we talk, sort of dance around Ian, and then at the end, but the hardest thing is I don't talk to him much on the phone. He's not been very well, but we're not really phone call people, you know. But it's just like, it's obviously not Ian's voice, but it's the closest thing I've got to Ian's voice, you know. He sounds so similar to his dad, and he used to do a piss take voice. As his dad answers the phone, if you ring his dad, he says now then when he answers, and Ian used to do that voice, and it was exactly as his dad's voice. So that's the closest I get to hearing Ian's voice. And you know, when you're trying to keep it together, because he's not been very well and he's only just out of hospital, so I'm trying to not do this. It's really hard because it's it's the closest thing to Ian's voice. But it's like the older version of Ian's voice, you know, as his dad's in his 80s. And it's what I'll never hear. So it's just so many really weird emotions. And again, because his dad's not been very well, he's got like that slightly poorly voice, you know, the slightly weak voice. He's been in hospital a really long time, and he's home now and recovering, like building up his strength at home. But you know, that slightly, yeah, you can tell in someone's voice that they're not at full strength. And again, that just reminds me of Ian's voice. Like, obviously the last time I heard it was anyway, there's no point to this video.